Naalala mo pa ba nung bata ka, sinabihan ka ni Lola ng pag may isinuksok, may madudukot. Akala natin noon, para lang sa baon o pang merienda yan. Pero habang tumatanda, nare-realize mo it's more than just a saying. It's a mindset. A reminder that life is full of surprises, good and bad. And when the unexpected comes knocking, walang kasinggaan ang pakiramdam kapag may nahuhugot kang ipon. Imagine this, biglang kailangan ng maintenance ni nanay o may emergency sa bahay. Kung wala kang savings, hindi ba doble ang stress? Pero kung ready ka, ibang usapan na yan. That's the power of preparation. It's not about having millions in the bank. It's about having peace of mind. Kaya kahit paunti-unti, simulan mo na. Remember, pag may isinuksok, may madudukot. Naalala mo pa ba nung bata ka, sinabihan ka ni Lola ng pag may isinuksok, may madudukot. Akala natin noon,